So, welcome to my channel. We're looking to Bitcoin. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell button, and share the videos to your friends because this is the only channel who was right in the prediction regarding the Bitcoin price. So, please share the videos so that we come to 20,000. So, we're looking here to Bitcoin. Maybe for you interesting if I zoom in a little bit. Yeah, let's look. So, we start. I give for you an overview and show you this. Yeah, if you look to this formation, it looks like a big hammer. Yeah, but the problem is we already break some uptrends. Yeah, especially if you look to this here, we are dancing on this line. Yeah, I make this in green and make a second line here. And this we make, let's make orange. Yeah. Now we zoom in and look to this area. Let's look. So we have this area. You can see we touch the line here. Let me look. I make this in black. This is our uptrend. You can see we test this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. We're going here to the downside. And then you can see the first support breaks here. That is what I draw here. That is our positive trend channel. You can see we broke this to the downside. And now what's now happening is we test the second support this here. Then you can see we test 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and we're sitting here on this level. So same game. I think we will see something like that, a little bit higher prices. You can see also here green, higher prices to the upside. And then the big move to the downside will begin. To 34,000. Make a retest of this resistance or support, and then fall finally to 30,000. That is what I think will happen. So, and the same game here at the 30,000. If we are landing here at 30,000, then you can see that this structure is not a big structure or a stable structure. You can see we touch this 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time, and this will not hold. I think we will get here a crash to the downside, and the next support of the Bitcoin price is this here. This is the area in which we will have really big support, and this is 16,000. So now you can decide with your own eyes. You can see we're going from 16,000 to 42,000. Yeah, please keep this picture in your mind. Yeah, we have this. Yeah, 16,000 to 42,000. So this was the uptrend. We're going really 100% here to the upside. And you can see current situation, we are nearly 42,000, 38,000 and have this gap to 16,000. Yeah. And that's the key information. If you understand this, then you will recognize that we will fall or drop very hard at the Bitcoin price to the downside. Yeah. The benefit is, if you look here, the benefit of this action is long term. Yeah. If you look here, long term, we have a really good support at 8,000. Yeah. But I think this will take time. Yeah. We will not fall directly to this level. So what I think is the vaults won't stretch this. That means we make a retest and lose here time. The price is going here to the downside, yeah. I would say end of the year, and we will get at the beginning of 2023 something like that, yeah. They will not crash the price of Bitcoin really to 9,000 or something like that. They will they I think they won't stretch this, yeah. So in the right side, so sideways movement and moving at 16, 17,000, 18,000 and so on. And then one day this support, we will touch this support, yeah. So I think if we're going sideways, and you can see we sitting here on 16,000, yeah, and then the really uptrend will begin. Yeah, this is what I think. Um, that's for me clear. This is only an overview. Yeah, if you want, you can draw this exactly. Yeah, so that we touch this point earlier. But it makes sense. From my calculation, the next bull market will start yet 2025. So it makes sense. Yeah, if you look here, 2025, if they stretch the Bitcoin price sideways, and you can see we are here at December 2022. Then we're going here to the downside, February 2023. Sideways movement at 20,000. Yeah, they stretched. Maybe they could make something like that. Yeah, this year that they manipulate to 30,000. But in the end of the day, the price is coming down. So I think this is also possible. Yeah, to touch. Makes sense. Yeah, if you look here, if this is our neckline, yeah, the price is going here to the downside. Make our first test, a second test, and after the third test here and fourth test, we break here out. Yeah, it makes sense, really. So that I think we have to test this black line, and this black line is at if you draw this exactly, this line is at 16,000, 18,000. Yeah. So I think here in this area. And after that, I think the bull market will start and we will get here really, really hot prices like this. The price will explode. You will not hold Bitcoin. The price will really explode to over 100,000 because we prepare this here for over 100,000.